Hey everyone, it's Love Unlocked, and if you're here, you're probably hoping to make that special someone fall head over heels for you. Well, you've come to the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like because we're about to unlock the secrets to captivating her heart. We're gonna dive deep into the proven strategies that will make you irresistible. Trust me, this isn't about cheesy pickup lines or playing games. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, the kind of man any woman would be lucky to have. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because I've got a special bonus tip that will give you an unfair advantage in the game of love. Let's get started. Gentlemen, let me tell you, nothing is more attractive to a woman than a confident man. Confidence is the bedrock of attraction, the very foundation upon which all other qualities are built. When you exude confidence, you send a powerful message that you are secure in who you are and what you stand for. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in. It's an invisible force that makes others want to be around you, to listen to you, to follow you. It's not just about being the loudest person in the room, but about having a presence that commands respect and admiration. It shows you believe in yourself, and that's incredibly sexy. When you look in the mirror and see a man who knows his worth, who stands tall and proud, you project an aura of self-assuredness that others find irresistible. But confidence isn't about arrogance or being loud. It's about a quiet self-assurance, a calm and composed demeanor that speaks volumes without saying a word. It's about knowing your worth and owning it, without the need to boast or brag. It's about quiet self-assurance, about knowing your worth and owning it. True confidence is reflected in your posture, your walk, your very presence. It's the way you carry yourself, the way you interact with others, the way you handle challenges. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you are at ease with who you are, it shows. You don't need to put on a facade or pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity is a key component of confidence. So how do you build this unshakable confidence? It starts with mastering yourself. Take time to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses to understand what makes you tick. Set goals for yourself and work diligently towards achieving them. It starts with mastering yourself. Engage in activities that challenge you, that push you out of your comfort zone. Read books, take up new hobbies, and continuously seek to improve yourself. The journey of self-mastery is a lifelong pursuit. Focus on your purpose, your passions, your goals. What drives you? What are you passionate about? When you pursue your passions with dedication and enthusiasm, you naturally become more confident. What makes you come alive? Pursue those things relentlessly. Whether it's hiking, playing a musical instrument, or cooking with passion, find what makes you feel alive and immerse yourself in it. The more you engage in activities that bring you joy, the more your confidence will grow. The more you achieve, the more you grow, the more confident you become. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each achievement is a stepping stone towards greater confidence, and that confidence will radiate outwards, making you irresistible. When you are confident, it shows in your interactions with others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude self-assurance and positivity. Take care of yourself physically too. Physical fitness plays a crucial role in building confidence. When you take care of your body, you feel better. And when you feel better, you project confidence. Hit the gym, dress well, eat healthy, exercise regularly, dress in a way that makes you feel good, and nourish your body with healthy foods. These habits not only improve your physical appearance, but also boost your mental well-being. When you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you exude confidence. It's a positive cycle that reinforces itself. And when you feel good, you exude confidence. Confidence becomes a natural part of your daily activities, from the way you walk to the way you interact with others. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's something you build over time, through experiences and personal growth. There will be setbacks, moments of doubt, but these are opportunities for growth. Embrace the challenges and learn from them, but keep pushing forward, keep growing, keep believing in yourself. Every obstacle you overcome adds to your confidence, because the more confident you become, the more attractive you become. Confidence is a powerful trait that enhances your overall attractiveness. And that, my friends, is the key to unlocking her heart. Confidence is the foundation of attraction, the key to winning her heart and building a meaningful connection. Now, gentlemen, confidence is crucial, but it's only the first step. Confidence can open doors, but it won't keep them open. It's the foundation upon which you build everything else. You can't expect to win her heart by simply strutting around like you own the place. Arrogance and overconfidence can be off-putting. It's not about being the loudest or the most dominant person in the room. You need to show a genuine interest in her, in who she truly is beyond the surface. This means looking beyond her physical appearance and understanding her as a person. This means actively listening when she speaks. Listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and thoughts behind those words. Not just waiting for your turn to talk, but truly absorbing her words, asking questions, and remembering the details. Show her that her words matter to you, that her thoughts and feelings are important. What are her passions, her dreams, her fears? What drives her? What keeps her up at night? These are the things that make her who she is. What makes her light up? Find out. Is it a hobby, a cause, a personal achievement? Discovering these things will help you connect on a deeper level. Delve deeper, beyond the superficial. Women are incredibly perceptive. They can tell when someone is genuinely interested or just going through the motions. They can spot a fake from a mile away. Insincerity is a major turnoff, and it can ruin any chance of building a meaningful connection. So don't just pretend to be interested, be genuinely curious about her world. Ask questions that show you care about her experiences and perspectives. Ask about her day, her work, her family. These questions show that you care about her life and the people in it. Remember that funny story she told you last week and bring it up. This shows that you were paying attention and that you value her sense of humor. These small gestures show her that you're paying attention, that you value her thoughts and feelings. It's the little things that often make the biggest impact. And when she feels truly seen and heard by you, that's when the connection deepens. That's when the magic happens. It's in these moments of genuine connection that relationships are built. Remember, attraction is about more than just physical appearance. It's about connecting on a deeper level. And that starts with showing genuine interest. It's about building a bond that goes beyond the surface, one that is rooted in mutual respect and understanding. So, take the time to get to know her, to understand her world, and to show her that you care. This is the true power of genuine interest. When you invest in understanding her, you create a foundation for a relationship that can withstand the test of time. Genuine interest is the key to unlocking a deeper, more meaningful connection. So be present, be attentive, and most importantly, be genuine. This is how you truly win her heart. Chapter 3. Mastering the Art of Communication, Building Bridges of Intimacy. Now gentlemen, we all know that communication is key in any relationship, but it's not just about talking. It's about truly connecting through your words and actions. It's about understanding the nuances of what your partner is saying and sometimes what she isn't saying. It's about reading between the lines and picking up on the subtle cues that can make all the difference. It's about creating a space where she feels safe, heard, and understood. This safe space is where she can express her thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or dismissal. It's where she knows that her voice matters and that you are there to support her. This means being present in the moment when you're with her. Being present isn't just about physical presence, it's about mental and emotional presence as well. It's about showing her that in that moment, nothing else matters more than her. Put away your phone, silence the distractions, and give her your undivided attention. In today's digital age, this can be a powerful gesture. It shows that you value her more than the constant buzz of notifications, and that you are willing to prioritize her over everything else. Make eye contact, listen intently, and respond thoughtfully. Eye contact is a powerful tool in communication. It shows that you are engaged and interested in what she has to say. Listening intently means not just hearing her words but understanding the emotions behind them. Show her that she's the most important person in the room when you're together. This can be done through small gestures like a gentle touch, a warm smile, or simply acknowledging her presence in a crowded room. And remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about you talking and her listening. It's about both of you sharing and understanding each other. It's about creating a dialogue where both parties feel valued and heard. Share your thoughts and feelings with her as well. Open up about your day, your dreams, your fears. Let her into your world and show her that you trust her with your innermost thoughts. Be open, be vulnerable. Let her see the real you. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength. It shows that you are confident enough to be your true self without any masks or pretenses. Don't be afraid to express your emotions, your dreams, your fears. This openness can lead to a deeper connection and a stronger bond. It shows that you are human with your own set of hopes and anxieties. Vulnerability can be incredibly attractive because it shows strength and authenticity. It shows that you are willing to take risks and be honest even when it's difficult. This kind of authenticity can be the foundation of a truly intimate relationship. Mastering the art of communication is about building bridges of intimacy. These bridges are built on trust, understanding, and mutual respect. They are the pathways that connect your hearts and minds. It's about creating a deep and meaningful connection that goes beyond the surface. It's about knowing each other on a level that few others do. It's about sharing your true selves and building a relationship that is rich and fulfilling. So speak from the heart, listen with intention, and watch your bond flourish. When you communicate with love and sincerity, you create a relationship that is not only strong but also deeply satisfying. This is the essence of building bridges of intimacy. Chapter 4. The Foundation of Respect. Building a love that lasts. Gentlemen, let me be clear. Respect is non-negotiable. It's the very foundation upon which any strong and lasting relationship is built. It's about valuing her as an individual, respecting her opinions, her boundaries, and her dreams. Respect means listening to her without judgment, even when you don't agree. It means valuing her time and making an effort to be punctual and reliable. It means being mindful of her feelings and understanding that her needs and desires are just as important as yours. Respect also extends to her physical boundaries. Always seek consent, be attuned to her body language, and never pressure her into anything that makes her uncomfortable. A true gentleman understands that respect is not a favor, it's a fundamental element of love and connection. When you treat a woman with respect, you demonstrate your character and your worthiness of her affection. Remember, building a love that lasts starts with a foundation of mutual respect, understanding, and consideration. Chapter 5. Shared Adventures. Creating lasting memories and deeper connections. Now, gentlemen, we've talked about the importance of confidence, genuine interest, communication, and respect. But there's another powerful element to making her fall for you: shared experiences. Think about it. Some of our fondest memories are created when we step outside of our comfort zones and embark on adventures with someone special. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could be as simple as trying a new restaurant together, exploring a local park, or even just cooking a meal together at home. The key is to create opportunities for laughter, connection, and shared memories. When you experience new things together, you create a bond that's built on more than just words. You create a shared history, a collection of moments that are uniquely yours. So be open to trying new things, be spontaneous, and most importantly, have fun. Because when you're enjoying yourselves together, that's when the magic truly happens. Outro: Unlock her heart. So there you have it, gentlemen, the keys to making her fall head over heels for you. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and building a genuine connection based on respect, understanding, and shared experiences. Now, for that bonus tip I promised you, the most important thing you can do is to be patient. Love takes time to blossom. Don't rush the process, enjoy the journey, and let the connection unfold naturally. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Love Unlocked for more dating and relationship advice. Until next time, gentlemen, go out there and unlock her heart.